speak about gender roles. Over the last few years, gender functions have actually become blurred. Gone are the days when everyone instantly anticipates the man to be the breadwinner and the lady to stay at home and raise the kids. These days, discussions require to be had about everyone's expectations within the relationship regarding gender roles. Be a good listener. Generally, we think females are good listeners and males are bad listeners. This isn't real. Male and women just listen in a different way. Females listen to link with another individual, and men listen to solve a problem. However, we all should have to have someone listen to us. So, do not forget that your partner needs that too. Show compassion. Relationships should not be me versus you. It ought to be us as a team. You can't continuously be just considering your own viewpoint about anything. You may or may not be right, but perception is truth. If your partner sees it differently, try to understand. Show him empathy, and after that more than likely he'll show it to you in return. Be accepting of distinctions. Nobody is 100% alike. Even similar twins aren't precisely the very same. If you have too numerous expectations of his habits that are being broken, maybe you ought to simply accept the differences. And if there are too lots of differences that you can't tolerate, then maybe he's not the individual for you. 17. Do not settle. There are a lot of people on the planet who fear being alone. It's probably because they don't like themselves enough to claim what they deserve. Rather, they go for Mr. Sufficient for now. And then they find themselves miserable in a brief amount of time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.